Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project by Tyfer. Let's take a closer look. This is a custom TKL mechanical keyboard, fully designed in EasyEDA. From schematic to multi-layer PCB layout, it uses a Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 with KMK firmware, USB-C connectivity, hot swappable mechanical switches, per key RGB lighting and OLED display, and a rotary encoder. The layered PCB structure and exposed components highlight both functionality and PCB aesthetics, blending engineering with visual design. The PCB itself is treated as a visible design element, with clean routing aligned components, and layered PCB construction that blends functionality with aesthetics. The complete design and documentation are shared openly on OSHWLab for learning and reuse. If you're working on an innovative design of your own, OSHWLab Stars 2026 is your chance to build, share, and grow.